You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Make a great choice today with the 2013 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, navigation package, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.